Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 14th of May, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
That sweet tea is good on a warm night like tonight. Summer, I think, is on its way. What do you think, Reb?
I think it's too hot.
Alrighty, well, let's start where we always do with who was here this weekend. Really big weekend this weekend. It was Mother's Day weekend, so it was a big weekend. Started off with Saturday, went to the auction, and well, no, I actually started off when?
Friday. Because I got a surprise, and my son Michael come home and scared me at the bank.
Alrighty, well, Michael slid in here on Friday. Saturday, we kind of worked around the yard. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. Went to auction. We'll talk more about that. And Sunday, let's see if I can remember the list. We had Michael over, Jay and Tangi. We had Daniel, Kimmy, the Butterbean, and Miss Sue. And Bula's good friend Mitchie come over and spent the day with us on Sunday as well. That was pretty much everybody this weekend, wasn't it?
Well, you didn't mention Michaela.
Michaela's always here. It's only like when people come over.
Oh, okay.
That's why I don't mention you're here either. Cause
oh, you don't?
We live here.
But it was Mother's Day. I should have been mentioned.
Okay, and Mama was here.
And Mama was here because it was Mother's Day. Awesome.
All righty, let's talk about this week in the shop and what we did this week in the shop. All righty. We went to an auction, as I mentioned. Had a great time.
Had a fabulous time.
We kind of wrapped everything up, though, all the stuff we got. What all did we get? Can you remember?
We got some crystal glasses for the wine racks that we're going to make. So we got a bunch of that, very cheap. We got, I can't mention some things because Doodlebug. Yeah. What else did we get?
I don't know. We got a little bit of metal. I got some metal.
Yeah,
I got
some
lantern.
silver.
Yeah, I got that lantern. I'm going to make
we got
kerosene
the lamps.
And the lamps. We got
the crystal lamps and some Margaritaville lamps. No, Jimmy Buffett lamps.
Yeah, look like palm trees. Trees. So a lot of neat stuff. Picked up a bunch of stuff. Didn't spend much money for it, though. It was a really good time. Jake.
We got a piano.
Yeah, we bought a piano. A $25 piano.
Solid
made out
mahogany.
Of mahogany and ivory keys. So you know it's got some age on it. And Jay was over, and Jay did some work, special work for Mama. He drew a scroll, I guess supposed to look like a diploma.
Like a diploma.
On a piece of 4x8 plywood. And Mama's going to cut that out this evening and make actually two of them. Used the one as a pattern, but thank you, Jay. We appreciate that. We packed up a bunch of glass and stuff, getting ready for the Lakewood 400 market. We're looking forward to that.
I'm excited.
But really, this week
indoors.
Primarily indoors.
Air conditioning.
Yeah. So primarily, that's what we worked on. Is getting ready for that. Mom worked on a little child's chair over here. It's something that we got at an auction 2 weeks ago. Well, no, it was a week ago.
With the bench that I finished.
Yeah, with the bench. Remember that bench we showed you last week? This is the chair. And right now, it's kind of rough looking because it's been sanded. But that's going to go with us to the Lakewood 400 market. And most of all, what we did this weekend is we celebrated Mother's Day, had a big Low Country bowl. That came out really, really
yummy,
good.
Yummy.
I forgot the Mississippi, the Louisiana mud bugs. I forgot to put those in. We kind of got in a hurry, forgot those. So we're going to be having those Memorial Day. We got them in the freezer, kind of chilling out.
Yeah.
All right.
Mississippi mud bugs.
Yeah. I don't know where that came from. All righty. Now, let's talk about projects completed. Now, we didn't get a lot done. Again, this is last week was kind of getting ready for the show. But Jay and Michael and I took a bunch of these pine cants that we had already cut up, these cants that we've had sitting out there for, gosh, I don't know, about 4 or 5 months, maybe longer, and made some lumber out of that. And I'm going to tell you a little list real quick of the lumber that we actually got out of that. We got 17 2x12s, some of them down to 10 feet, others out to about 15. We got 9 2x10s out of there, again about the same proportions or same length, maybe 9, 10 feet up to about 14, 15 feet. We got 13 2x8s out of all of that, and we got 4 2x6s. We still got a lot more to cut up, but boy, I tell you what, got a lot of lumber out of that. And it didn't take us long. We got 2 hours and 45 minutes of cut time to get all that. Probably about 30, maybe a little bit, 45 minutes of that was kind of goof off time where we ate popsicles and just kind of goofed off with the saw being out there working again. Michael turned several pins, and they had some problems with that. A couple of them broke and stuff. But the big thing is he was back on the lathe turning. Look forward to maybe him coming home a little more often and doing some turning with us here. All right, let's move on. That tea really is good.
It's good. I have my unsweet is awesome.
markets and shows, shows and markets. Now let's talk about what's going on. We have got the Market 400, that's right, Lakewood Market, 400 Market this weekend. Looking forward to it.
Yes.
18th, 19th,
Excited.
20th. Very excited. Got a lot of neat stuff. As Mama said earlier, we are going to be inside in the air conditioning. First time I think we can truly say we've been inside. Even though we're in the fire department here, at that last show we went to, the doors were open, so it really wasn't like being inside. It was kind of like being inside but outside. This is truly going to be inside. Looking forward to it. Excited about it. Looks like that's going to be our spot maybe for a little while. We're going to take our stuff in, set it up, get ready, and looking forward to a great show.
When we go, we cover it up and we go.
That's
if
it.
we want to leave it there till next month, it just sits there. We don't have to load or unload. Absolutely fabulous.
Looking forward to that. And then the next thing, well, look what we got in the mail today. We got mail today, not email, real mail. We've got something from the historic Washington Wilkes County Southern Heritage Festival. That's right, Mule Days. We're already hit up for Mule Days. October 13th. 2018. We'll be at Mule Days. We're going to go ahead and send our application. So we got our application. They want us to get there, get there early. We'll ask for our spot that we had the last 2 years.
The last 2 years.
That. So shows and markets kind of expanding. We're getting that time of year. It's hard to believe, but it's getting that time of year.
Yeah.
We're starting to look at doing some other shows now.
The fun shows, the really fun shows.
Really neat stuff. Yeah, we love that show. That is a great, great show.
Our spot by the pig pot.
Mm-hmm.
I love the pig pot.
Our spot by the big pot. So we're looking forward to that. I'm going to ask some of our requests for that and see if we can't get it. All right, let's move on. Now, let's talk about what's upcoming for Two Dogs. What's upcoming for Two Dogs is tonight Mama's going to work on that scroll that Jay drew out for. We're going to get that done tonight. She's going to cut it out with the jigsaw, lay it on the other half of that 4x4 sheet, and cut out the second one, right? And maybe start painting on
Painted it white.
I'm going to be out here in the yard finishing up on the shelves for the show trailer. What I got to do there is just kind of clean them off a little bit, and I'm going to spray it with some black paint, put them in the trailer, and I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the wood for that. And I think I'll probably get most of that done tonight, and what I don't get done tonight, I'll have done tomorrow, so we can start organizing that trailer. Even though it's going to be raining, we're going to be organizing that trailer on Wednesday, hopefully, so get all that done.
Yes.
Then after that, it's pretty much just get ready for the Market 400, or I actually need to start calling it by its right name, Lakewood 400 Antiques Market. Looking forward to that. Very excited about that. What is some other big things this week?
Tomorrow is Daniel's birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, son.
Happy birthday, Daniel. Hopefully you'll be getting this video about 12 o'clock if the download and everything works right. So happy birthday to Daniel. Y'all don't forget to hit him up on the family text and let him know you're thinking about him. But gosh, what is it, 26 years old?
26 years. Yeah, that's what I wrote down. I hope that's right. I tried to add it in my head.
I was thinking 25. I don't know why, but I'm really thinking 25.
He was born in 1992, not 1.
Anyhow, happy birthday, Daniel. All righty. Well, I think that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
No,
Well,
sure
that's
don't.
pretty much it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Sound check number 2. Sound check, sound check, sound check.
Sound check.
Welcome back to the shop. I'm gimme and my chair is too far back.